Have you ever dared to dream of becoming a millionaire? Everyone has the potential to create extraordinary success. In this video, we're diving into 15 practical and achievable ways that you can build your own path to $1 million. These aren't pipe dreams. These are real strategies that everyday people have used to transform their lives. It takes dedication, hard work, and a whole lot of heart. Are you ready to unlock your potential and embark on a journey toward financial freedom? Let's get started. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for entrepreneurs, and starting an online business has never been more accessible. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, offering coaching services, or creating an e-commerce store, there's an online business idea out there waiting for you. Authenticity is magnetic, and people are drawn to businesses that resonate with them on a personal level. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. With the right mindset and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, you can create a thriving online empire. Real estate has long been considered a path to wealth creation, and for good reason. Investing in property can provide you with both passive income and long-term appreciation. There are countless ways for you to get started in real estate, even with a modest budget. From house hacking to rental properties to real estate crowdfunding, the options are out there. It's about doing your research, understanding the market, and making informed decisions. Do you have a message to share, a skill to teach, or a story to tell? YouTube provides an incredible platform for you to connect with a global audience and potentially earn significant income. Whether you're passionate about cooking, gaming, beauty, or anything in between, there's an audience out there eager to watch your content. The key is to create high-quality videos that are engaging, informative, and entertaining. Commit to a regular upload schedule and engage with your viewers in the comments section. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and let the world hear your voice. Everyone has a story to tell, and writing a book can be a transformative experience, both personally and financially. Do you have a story that's been burning inside of you? A message that the world needs to hear? Now is the time to put pen to paper or fingers to keyboard. Don't get caught up in the idea that your book has to be perfect from the start. Just start writing. The more you write, the better you'll become. Your best-selling book is waiting to be written. Go make it happen. In today's digital age, mobile apps have become an integral part of our lives. Do you have a brilliant app idea that you think could be the next big thing? Now is the time to turn that idea into a reality. From online courses to coding boot camps to freelance app developers, you don't have to be a tech whiz to bring your vision to life. Remember, the most successful apps are those that solve a problem or fulfill a need. Focus on creating an app that provides real value to your target audience. The App Store is calling. Your $1 million idea awaits. Social media has become a powerful tool for connecting with others and building a loyal following. Are you passionate about fashion, fitness, travel, or another niche? By sharing your knowledge, experiences, and personality, you can become an influencer, partnering with brands and monetizing your content. The key to success as an influencer is to be authentic, engaging, and consistent. Find your unique voice, share valuable content, and interact with your followers. Building a strong social media presence takes time and effort. With dedication and a genuine desire to connect with your audience, you can turn your passion into profit. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to the world of finance. But the truth is, it's a powerful tool for building wealth over time. The key is to start small, diversify your investments, and think long-term. There are countless resources available to help you learn the ins and outs of investing, from online courses to financial advisors. With patience, discipline, and a solid investment strategy, you can watch your money grow. Starting a business from scratch can be challenging, but franchising offers a proven business model and a built-in support system. Are you drawn to a particular brand or industry? Franchising allows you to tap into an established brand name, operational processes, and marketing support. From fast food to fitness studios to home services, there's a franchise opportunity out there for almost every interest and budget. It's important to do your research, carefully evaluate the franchise agreement, and be prepared to put in the hard work. With the right franchise and a strong work ethic, you can achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Are you an expert in your field? Do you have knowledge and skills that you're passionate about sharing with others? Creating and selling online courses has become a popular way for individuals to monetize their expertise and reach a global audience. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it easier than ever to create, market, and sell online courses. Whether it's photography, web development, digital marketing, or anything in between, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Start brainstorming, create high-quality course content, and get ready to share your knowledge with the world. Have you accumulated years of experience in a particular industry? Are you skilled at problem-solving and providing strategic advice? If so, consulting might be the perfect path for you. Consultants are hired by businesses to provide expert advice and solutions in specific areas. From management consulting to marketing consulting to financial consulting, the possibilities are vast. Establish yourself as an authority in your field, build a strong network, and deliver exceptional results for your clients. Your expertise is valuable. Share it with the world as a consultant. In today's digital age, blogging has become more than just a hobby. It's a powerful platform for sharing your thoughts, passions, and expertise with the world. Whether you're passionate about travel, food, fashion, personal finance, or anything in between, there's an audience out there eager to connect with your unique voice. The key to successful blogging is to create high-quality content that's engaging, informative, and shareable. Be consistent with your posting schedule, engage with your readers in the comments section, and promote your blog on social media. Your blog is your online canvas. What will you create? Subscription services have exploded in popularity in recent years, offering a steady stream of income for businesses and a convenient and valuable experience for customers. From meal kits to beauty boxes to software as a service, the possibilities for subscription services are endless. The key to creating a successful subscription service is to identify a need or desire in the market and provide a solution that people are willing to pay for on a recurring basis. Think about what you're passionate about and how you can turn it into a subscription service that brings value to your target audience. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, offering a decentralized and potentially lucrative alternative to traditional investments. From Bitcoin to Ethereum to countless other cryptocurrencies, the world of digital assets can seem complex and intimidating. The key to successful cryptocurrency investing is to have a solid understanding of the technology, the market trends, and your own investment goals. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and adapt your investment strategy accordingly. Dropshipping has become a popular e-commerce model, allowing entrepreneurs to start an online store without having to handle inventory or shipping. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products directly to your customers. The key to success in dropshipping is to find reliable suppliers, choose profitable products, and create a strong brand identity. With hard work and dedication, you can build a thriving dropshipping business from the comfort of your own home. The gig economy is booming, and freelancing has become a popular career choice for those seeking flexibility, autonomy, and the opportunity to be their own boss. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with freelancers across a wide range of industries. The key to success as a freelancer is to build a strong portfolio, market your services effectively, and deliver exceptional work to your clients. Wow! We've covered a lot of ground today. From starting an online business to investing in real estate to becoming a social media influencer, the possibilities for achieving financial success are truly limitless. Start today. It's not about finding the perfect path, but about choosing the path that aligns with your passions, skills, and goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on achieving your dreams. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and embrace the incredible possibilities that await you.